Yes guys, so we're down here at Pennings. We're just picking up Tuck's E36. As you can see, this car has just been painted. It looks absolutely immaculate. It's been given away at Tuck to the Manor this Sunday. We are going to give it the full Deutsch treatment, so let's take it back to the workshop. Yes guys, so we've got the E36 on the ramp in our shop now. As you can see, the paintwork is absolutely stunning. We've had a good chance to have a look at this in a little bit more detail in some good light, and it is absolutely immaculate. Pennings have done a great job with it. Right guys, so now moving on to the part that we're going to be focusing on, which is the exhaust. So the initial plan with this was just to do an exhaust repair. Having a little look underneath it, we can see some of these boxes are a lot worse for wear, and they're far beyond repair. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to be building a full custom catback on this car. So just breaking down what we're going to be doing with the exhaust, we'll start with the tips to begin with, as this is the part that most people see. We currently have a sort of DTM style twin tip on there. We're going to be going for a more OEM sort of look with the tips. We will also be fitting one of our PowerFlow boxes, as we are a PowerFlow dealer. This is probably going to be going at the rear of the car, somewhere up here. And then we'll be building from the box back, obviously going under the rear axle, all the way to the flange here, which is next to the cat. We'll also be replacing the flange as well. So while we're under the car, we can obviously explain a little bit why we're going to go down the route we're going to be doing. So you can see this box is already been patched up before. It's got a lot of exhaust paste on it. There's another hole here. So by the time that we've cut this box off, we just thought the rest of it's looking pretty tight as well. So we may as well do a full catback. So you've seen the car, you've seen the exhaust that's on there currently. Let's start stripping the car down. The old exhaust system has now been removed, so now let's start fabricating our custom catback exhaust. Potter has now cut all of the appropriate stainless steel piping for the exhaust. He has measured up where he wants to locate the PowerFlow box and where the exhaust tips will sit, so now it's time to start welding the exhaust together. The exhaust has now been welded up and is ready to be fitted to the car. It's the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's see what this E36 sounds like.